video we will show you how to use semantic search retrieval methods in the Incentives web user interface. Semantic search combines full-text search retrieval techniques with the ability to browse and query against the semantic annotations of the information resources. In other words, keyword search over the text and pattern search over the graph of the knowledge base. Let's see how the facet search paradigm works. Facet search is based on co-occurrence of information. Here we track which entities appear together, when and how often. In other words, it helps you find unknown entities by defining the environment in which they appear. The facet screen features optionally configurable columns for selecting entities. These columns represent the top-ranking entities of particular types in the set of documents. For example, people or organizations. These entity types are classes in the domain ontology. Let's say that we are looking for images of Barack Obama. We start typing OBA in the empty search box of the people column. And we get a list of suggestions with the type part of the entity name in highlight. We see Barack Obama and Michelle Obama. We select Barack from the list of suggestions and it appears in the selected items list. Selecting an entity limits the list of entities in each column to only the ones that occur together with it. The top-ranking entities appear on the top of each column. The facet search screen also features a related concepts column, which is not configurable. It shows concepts that are semantically related to the entities displayed in the columns on the left. Now it shows updated information on concepts semantically related to Barack Obama. We can further narrow our search. We add Ben Bernanke to our selected entities. If we want to remove an item from the selected items list, we just use the minus icon and the item is added to the recent items history. If we want to add it back, we click the plus icon. If we want to clear the whole query, we click the clear link in the right-hand corner of the screen or just press delete. The facet screen also allows you to enter image features in the document keyword filter text box. This helps you search in the document set by the metadata of the stored images, such as title. Keep in mind, though, that unlike text documents, images have no body text, so if you use keywords, you will get no results. Let's say we want to find all images that have the name Obama in their title. We type title, column Obama.jpg, and we get a preview of all images that contain the word Obama in their title. Entering limitations in the document keyword filter also automatically updates the entity columns and shows the top-ranking entities for the current selection. In the people column, together with Barack and Michelle Obama, you can also see Bill Clinton, Gordon Brown, and other top-ranking entities. The related concepts column is also refreshed. The columns of entity classes are optionally configurable. To specify the entity class for each column, we click the Options link in the top right corner of the facet screen. This opens a new options screen that shows the 3 default columns. If we want to select a new category, we click the arrow next to each column heading and make our selection from the drop-down list representing the ontology classes. To add more columns, we click the plus icon and a new field appears. We select the category for it and click Apply. Now we have 4 columns in the facet screen. If we decide to return to the default number of columns, we click the minus icon and we have 3 columns again. We can also see the information about each entity available in the knowledge base by clicking the red magnifying glass in front of the entity name in the columns. Let's click on the red magnifying glass next to Barack Obama. This opens an Explorer screen. It is divided into two sections. The first section displays the main function of the selected entity and a link to its Wikipedia page. And the second one, all entities of the type document that mention the selected entity. You see Barack Obama is defined as a president. If we want to see the full list of entities related to Barack Obama, we just go to the Click Here link at the bottom of the screen. All related entities are marked as hyperlinks. By clicking these hyperlinks, we can continue browsing the respective entity descriptions. We can also use the icons on the top right corner of the screen in the following way. To see the full list of relations defined for the selected entity, we click the plus icon. To return to the short list of main relations, we click the minus icon. To see all documents where the selected entity and all its aliases occur, we click the D icon. This way we are directed to the document query results screen. To navigate back and forth through the entity descriptions we have already viewed, we click the bigger and smaller than icons. This section previews all documents matching our search criteria. They are displayed by date and title, and sorted by date in ascending order. The title is presented as a hyperlink to the document. The images are shown on the last page. Alternatively, we can click the Documents button or the View All Documents link, and we are directed to the Document Query Results screen. It shows the same document results as in the Documents Containing All Selected Entities section. However, here we can view more than 15 documents by changing the settings which define how many documents per page will be displayed. The Available Query option box allows you to go back to the facet screen or to export a zip file with all annotated documents in XML format, which you can then load in Gate. You can also view a graphic representation of the document distribution for the time period. If we want to view the image from the retrieved documents, we click the hyperlink of the document title. This takes us to the image annotation screen. Thank you for watching this video.